Welcome back to another Trucker Tim video. What are we doing today, Helen? We're going to look at a new truck for the channel.
Oh, I thought we were going to Morrisons.
No, that's later. Oh. We're going to look at a new truck for the channel.
Okie dokie. Why do we need a new truck for the channel?
For me to... another one to rebuild.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Rebuild, then work.
You've not rebuilt the last one?
No, but it's getting a bit...
Why can't you work the blue one?
You just don't understand.
Who thinks this truck should be pink and purple? Votes
oh, look,
down
no one
below.
responded.
So do I get an opinion?
No, you do not. Can I ask why there's a petrol pump in the car?
It's Leo's.
Esso.
Why would there not be a petrol pump? Right, so we're going to Morrisons. Then
we're going to look at the truck first, and then we're going to Morrisons.
So this is quite exciting.
Let's get there. It's an R500 V8. Don't know what condition it's going to be in, but it's a very attractive price. So we have to go look, don't we, Helen?
We do, yeah.
And I'm going to make a purchase if
what today?
If it's right.
Maybe we need to have a conversation about this.
Off camera, yes. Yeah. On camera, no. Let's go.
Right. Bit of off-road in that.
I thought I could see it.
Wow, it's a horse. You're buying me a horse, aren't you?
No, I'm not. I'm so excited. Another truck, Helen! Yes!
I think they've got horses. Oh, babe.
He's not actually going to be here, so we're going to be looking at this ourselves.
2 post boxes. Well, that's 1 post box.
Oh, there was 2 on Google Earth.
Oh, he's ringing you back.
Oh, I think I'm here. Hey. Where is it? Should we buy it, Helen?
Well, maybe we should see first, dear.
Airplane. Oh, we're in. Go.
Right.
Oh,
actually, it doesn't. It looks. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, that's nice as well.
Oh, my word.
Oh, there's horses and all.
This is my idea of heaven.
You're going to look at the horses. Well, yeah. I'm not interested in them. I'm interested in this. Let's go and have a look.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. It's got spats, Helen. Look. It's got spats.
Got a fuel tank.
It's got tones. It's got horns.
Susie's.
It's got Susie's. Tipping gear. Walking floor and tipper. You know, it needs a bit of work, doesn't it? I mean, look. I mean, look.
Pink, it'll look great.
I'm not painting it pink. I mean, that's a bit. Ooh. But I mean, we can deal with that. Transtech will sort that. It's. Ooh, Helen. It's a project, isn't it? Another project.
How many miles it done?
About 1 million kilometres, so it's not too bad. Look at all the grease in there, Helen, off the 5th wheel. But the chassis looks good. I think it's a good canvas.
I like this bit.
What?
This bit here.
Yeah, that's quite pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Duraprice as well, which is good.
There's a dog. Hi, dog. Hello.
Oh, you're loving life here, aren't you?
Hello. Hiya.
Wing tops need some attention. Hello, you. Hello. He's nice, isn't he? Look at these side skirts. Hello. Do you want to show me around? Look at these, look. Right. Hello. Hello.
Hello, puppy.
Bit of attention on those. Let's take a little look inside. Ooh. Oh, it's leather. This is all right. What have we got in here? Oh, it's got a fridge freezer. It's got a fridge freezer. It's fully spec'd up. Cheese auto. Not up to cruise. That's good. Look what's just turned up. Here we go, Helen. You're coming out for a ride.
I actually quite like it.
He said he can take photos. Do you like this? Fridge freezer.
I don't think.
Fridge freezer, Helen.
Quickly, I don't think I've actually driven in a Scania. Have I?
No. Ooh. Let's start it up if it starts. No. We got electric issues. Yes. Here we go.
Oh my.
I'm wearing the right clothes for this, aren't I?
Yeah, brand spanking
new clothes.
Why is there white stuff? What's that?
What? Oh, battery acid.
What, really?
Just getting a jump pack and we'll get it going. Then we'll go for a drive. We're on! It started, didn't it, Helen? Yep. Started, just needed a little bit of a boost. I love this, look. V8. You see that on the dash?
It's lovely.
Look, you see that?
I can see
it says
that.
V8.
Oh.
Have you got your belt on?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at you go.
I'm belted up.
Look, we've got armrests.
Oh no, it's comfy. The bed in this one.
It's double bed, so if you want to come with me,
there is no way in hell I'm sleeping in that.
Big old cab, isn't it?
1310.
Date's wrong.
It's the height of your lorry.
Right. Listen to it. That's a V8 up. We'll get her on some straight pipes.
Pardon?
We'll straight pipe it.
Cool, yeah, let's do that. What the flip?
Pop, pop, pop.
And I do like it.
It's a lorry, isn't it?
It just needs a bit of, do you know?
Well, it just needs a little bit of TLC.
I think the shell is nice. Oh, you're a bit close.
Oh, I didn't hear it, Helen.
You are. The hell?
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
It was like a wolf, wasn't it?
Go carefully, there's somebody with a horse in there. In the stable, they're tacking it up, so just like be careful because you don't want to spook it. I'm so jealous.
Is that okay?
Yeah. It's just biting her.
Okay.
Just telling it off.
Wow. Oh my god. It's got double glazing. It's a proper fully spec'd one. You see that?
Yeah.
That's double glazed.
What, 2 lots of glass?
Yes, that's what that means, Helen. You see?
Look everybody, 2 lots of glass.
Double glazed.
That's going to hit the truck.
No.
I'm not very good with trucks.
I can see.
Just pressing buttons.
Trying to get the suspension
What have you just
right.
done?
Trying to get the suspension right.
Now it's going funny. I think it goes funny.
No, we're good.
Oh my god, it feels all bumpy now. What have you done?
I've just moved the suspension.
Where's my new pony? He's in there, look.
Film!
I got your invoice for petrol head in detailing. It's a bit more expensive than I thought it was going to be. Expensive than you told me it was anyway. Double what you told me it was. Another thing to have a chat about off the camera. Like your hat. Why are you not wearing your tank hat?
Tang!
You need to ring Lombardo, man, and just see if he can fix it and how much it's going to cost to fix it.
It's fine.
But it's not. I'm not saying he can't fix it. I'm saying if it's an extra, you know, thousands and thousands.
Best. Shouldn't be that much.
Inside's tidier than yours.
You can have a go with this one.
Okay.
Wow, she's got some puck.
Do Scanias make you happy? Shall we get him a little Scania? Another one to add to his collection.
Look at the smile on my face. What does it say? Oh, doesn't it?
Yeah. Guess we're buying a truck today.
Oh, I just remembered. It's got tones.
No, that's not tones.
So,
That's
oh no, wrong bit.
no, that's
They
not
work,
tones.
though.
What the heck?
They work.
They do work, but that's not tones. Right, okay, there's loads of cars behind you.
What's this button? Then?
Don't press it. Right, Tim.
Just explore it.
Yeah,
Look.
but maybe don't press all the
Pilot
buttons
Tim.
while we're driving.
Radio to traffic. Trucker Tim. Intermission to go down the A47 on the limiter. Over. Let's hope we don't get pulled by Vosa.
Is there not allowances for test driving?
Yeah, we are, I think. We're not for hire and reward, are we?
No, we're test
Although
driving
we are
it.
getting paid for this video, so. That
Yeah, but not
might
really. No, yeah, but no.
Be... Tang! There's another horn here. Oh!
Right, that's enough time. Tim,
It's got 2 lots! It's got 2 on the roof
So
and 2 down there!
embarrassing.
Sold! Go and get a trailer on and go and do a load. I reckon a load of sugar beet. Well, this is alright, look,
So
it drives straight.
No, it drives nice. Do you need to get your owner operator licence, my dear?
Yeah, we need that.
You're going to buy the truck before you get your licence, aren't you?
Yeah.
Of course you are, what stupid. There's some trailers, look. Some over there.
Helen, they're for tractors.
Oh, are they? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
It's alright.
Yeah, I quite like it actually.
Listen to it.
I'm not being mean to the blue one because I do love the blue one,
I love this.
but I prefer this one. Should have bought this one, not the blue one.
No. 4
No?
Series are.
Look at that little happy face.
What's this woman doing? She looks a bit dodgy.
I think she's
Why's she walking around backwards?
a little Welshie look. For all you pony fans.
toes!
Right, we'll talk to you in a minute after we've had a little combo.
Where's your purse?
I didn't bring it.
Should we buy it?
I mean, I think it's a good value for money.
It is good
And I
value
could
for money.
see what you're going to do with it. I think it'd be nice.
It's got potential,
Yeah.
but we didn't even finish the other one yet.
No.
What do you think? We haven't said yes, but I'm going to go and see Transtech and have a word with a few people. I've took a load of pictures, and by the end of this video, you'll know if I bought it or not. That'll be a work truck stroke show truck.
Right, let's go shopping.
I'm not going to be able to concentrate in Morrisons after that.
Oh my word.
Hold on to your hats. Trucker Tim is here.
Right. We'll have a chat then, dear. Okay.
Another truck for the channel.
Trucker Tim fleet.
Trucks.
Tim, rice pudding, dear. What are you doing? Oh, for crying out
Sorry,
loud.
what do you want?
Rice pudding, please.
Salmonella?
No, it's semolina.
Macaroni?
will have one of them.
Macaroni?
Yeah, it's nice. I will have one of them, but I need rice pudding actually.
Macaroni custard?
Yeah, it's nice.
Macaroni custard?
Yes, Tim.
You want one?
Yes, and the rice pudding.
2?
Yeah. I think you might need to buy it because I think it's on your mind.
It's definitely on my mind. Right, let's go to the bank next. Let's
Right.
go. 540S. He's got a tag. He's got to get the tag axle
What
in.
the flip is a tag axle? This
Look.
bit?
Yeah, it's up in the air at
Oh,
the back.
look, it's a
Tagging
tag
them on.
axle.
It's got a low bar. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm going to have one of them on mine.
Should we buy a trailer?
Yeah.
We'll go trailer shopping next week.
Yeah, next week, I want a low loader.
What the flip?
A Famonville.
What? Right,
loader.
next week, trailer shopping.
And then we can tow the 4 Series of that one on my tray. Oh my god. The possibilities are endless in the here. And DAF Finland Haulage.
This is red.
We need to buy
Timothy.
another truck as well for the Truck
No,
and Tim
we don't need
experience
3
days.
trucks.
We need one for the Truck
We
and
just
Tim
use this one, the new one, today.
No.
Right.
That one is going to be going in, stripped down. I'm going to destroy it like I did the 4 Series. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane.
Yeah, you are in the
I'm
wrong
heading
lane.
for the port area. I'm not going to
You
make
have
it.
to go round the roundabout, dear. Round the roundabout.
Yeah, I know.
We're meant to go down there. We're not. Some trucks. Woman's got them. Has got a tag axle.
Yeah. Well done, Helen. Yep.
And Susie's.
Let's build some air up in the tank so we can give some tones. I'm about to head over to Transtech and see what they think about the Scania and go from there. Here's some tones. Yes. Excited. I'm excited. We're here. Transtech. Hot, hit the door on that wall. Well, it's the first time I've had a look around one of these. It's an MSRT. So it's been down to Transtech here to have these seats done. Look at these. Hang on. Number M1178. Limited edition. I wonder how many they made. No idea how many they made, but so it had a row of seats across here, but they didn't want that. Just wanted one seat, like normal, like a normal sort of car. So they got another one of these and put that there. And they've been all been redone.
Just that front left one, but
Oh, okay. So this is normal.
The floor was basically, they had a big hole in. So, because it had 2, didn't it? So they put all new floor in.
Oh, okay.
Seat.
I love the big chunky racing steering wheel as well. If I was to buy a van, it would be one of these. Gosh. So yes, the chap who's looking after my M3 gave me this. We've got merch as well. Box of merch here. And a massive box of merch in the back there for the merch store. If you'd like anything from the merch store, links in the description. And Transtech, they've given me a verdict on the truck. So, Transtech have said, yes Tim, buy the truck. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to go and buy the truck. That will be another truck for the collection. Oh God. What we're doing. Cool, Frasers. We like that. So this truck isn't going to be like a show truck. Like the 4 Series is going to be like a proper show truck. This is going to be tied up to look nice. It's going to look the part. A-frame, perimeter lights, exhaust, everything. But this truck I'll work when it gets done. Probably won't be until the new year, but I'm going to work it. I'm going to start the process on getting my operator's license. Trucker Tim's going to get his operator's license. So I'll film the process of what you need to do basically to set up on your own, get your operator's license and everything you need, the whole process. I'll document that as well for you guys so you can get an insight into what you need to do. And then yeah, we can do loads with the truck. I will literally do anything, any work anybody can give me with my unit, I'll do it. Like fridge work, curtain siders, we can do a bit for data shredders as well because it's got the PTO, so we can do walk-in floor loads for them if they want us to. Curtain cider loads, fridge work, any work. We can do any work with that truck. So that gives a little bit more diversity on the channel as well. It won't just be curtain cider work we do and the walk-in floors. We can do anything. Car's parked dodgy here. I'm very excited. We're gonna have 2 trucks on the go. 2 trucks on the go. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pop down and have a look at my 4 Series, see if any progress has been made on that regards to shot blasting. So let's go and look at that, and I can also let him know that he's going to have another one to paint very shortly. It's just going to be a little sort of a refresh job, which might involve a full respray. What's that? So you rejoin me a few hours later, back in the car. We're on our way back to the farm to have another look at the Scania and make the purchase. We're on our way to make the purchase, guys. The light is fading. That was close. What is going on the Trucker Tim channel? We are purchasing another vehicle. We are back at the farm. There she is. Well, I've literally parked alongside it in the Trucker Tim mobile. Let's get out and have another look. Bringing you all of the content. Is it open? Oh, it's locked. Scania, can you send me some of these, please? Some new ones of them. Some new wing tops and things are needed. They're Durabrights, which is good. I'm going to get a super single, put that on there. We'll have some perimeter lights, A-frame with Trucker Tim on, catwalk. We'll probably get a beefy flap to go across the back there as well. The new one of these maybe. I'm going to get double lights as well. So I get another set of those lights to go underneath. So it's double lights. Like we see earlier, all PTO, tones. Loving the spats. Super singles on the front. The old grille needs some attention. So we'll have a 530 and a 500 on the channel. Do something like Kelsa bar. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. So we're just waiting now for the owner to turn up so we can do the deal. Join me on the journey to owner operator. What colour should we do it, guys? What colour shall we go? No idea what colour to go. All the panels are fine. I mean, it's straight as anything. It's not going to take a lot of work, to be honest. But, I mean, all these is just scuffs. I mean, oh, some stones in there. It can all just be repaired. It's not cracked or anything like that. It's good. It's a good truck. This isn't going to be a restoration truck. This is literally going to be spruce it up a bit, make it look really, really nice, and work it. It's got these as well. I like these. She's had blue. She's going to need a good old steam clean. Can you believe, guys, I'm going to be an owner operator, and obviously as well we're going to need an operating centre of some sort. Madness. Let's just while we wait, put our seat down. Sitting in front of my new truck. Looks like it might have been yellow at some point. So we are losing light very quickly here, guys, but this truck is mine. I'm going to make the purchase off camera as soon as the chap gets here. And this is the new truck for the Trucker Tim channel. Can you believe it? I can't. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the little bell notifications so you don't miss any videos on my operator's license journey. Anything we do to this, we've got lots planned for it. It's just not going to be as in depth as the 4 Series. I'm home. We've bought another truck there. Look.
That's
V8.
exciting.
We pick it up later this week, so there'll be a collection video coming out when we go and pick it up and take it to Transtech, where they're then going to do all their magic on it.
What colour are you going to have it?
I don't know. Let me know in the comments what colour you think I should go.
I think purple. You don't see
Or
a lot
I
of
might just keep it white.
No. We're not keeping it white. Purple.
Blue.
Purple.
Not purple, Helen. Or pink.
But you don't see many. It'd be really unique.
No, I've got a headache. Today has been very exciting and very stressful, all in the same day. Now I need to go and edit videos. Crazy. Get my operator's license, I'll get on that as well.
I'll get you some dinner.
Thank you. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any of the journey with this new truck and the other truck and the process of getting an operator's license and everything like that.
Cup of tea, dear.
Right, kettle's on. Stay tuned for the collection video, guys. Cheers!